Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some questions or some queries which students generally get when they register for the course ACCA. Most of the students keep on asking some questions which I feel they are the general queries which every student might get before joining ACCA. Now what is ACCA, how to do it, and the entry requirements already have explained in my before video. Today we will just concentrate on some of the important queries which students can get. Now the first query which I would like to generalize is, how is ACCA an international qualification? ACCA is an international qualification because it is recognized by the board of ACCA, which is registered and headquartered in London, and which gives recognition in 185 countries all over the globe, which makes it an international qualification. The second question is, can we do it from India? The question which majorly comes to the student's mind is, can we do this course from India? The answer is yes. This course can be done even from India. ACCA has its global network of offices which help you to get connected. You have an My ACCA account which helps you to get connected with the ACCA at every time. My ACCA account supports you as a student and helps you to fulfill all your education, support and any other requirements of the education. The next thing is, what requirements are there when you join the course? The course requires you to fulfill a registration form which requires some of the ID proofs and the educational proofs which will be helpful for gaining the exemption. ID proof could be your normal photo ID proof, which could be your passport or a valid driving license or a Aadhaar card, which will be enough for your registration. The next thing for education qualifications, your educational documents which have to be certified and awarded by a recognized institution or a recognized university from your country. If we talk about the next doubt which students generally have is, what are the types of fees which is payable for doing this course? I can generally divide this fees into three types of. One is the registration fees, which is paid only one time when you join. This is a one-time payment which you have to do it when you join the ACCA course. The second type of fees which you need to pay to the ACCA is the exam fees. This is a fees which is generally paid to the ACCA whenever you are attempting an exam. The third type of fees which you pay to ACCA is the annual subscription fee, which you need to pay every year, that is annually, to maintain or revive your account. So these are the three types of fees which you need to pay to the ACCA directly from your My ACCA account and will not require any other support or help during this. Apart from this, if you are taking any coaching or any tuition with any tuition provider, you need to pay their respective coaching fees. So apart from these three fees, the other fees would be your coaching or tuition fee. Coming to the next thing, when I talk about registration, can we apply for registration directly? Yes, as a student you can directly also apply for registration, or you can take help of any tuition provider who can help you with the registration process as well. At the time of registration, you are supposed to fulfill all the requirements whichever are there in the registration form. Submit your documents, upload your ID proof as well as educational qualification proof along with the fees. Then your registration becomes confirmed. The next question what the students ask is, how do I get the confirmation that I am registered or I have been registered with ACCA? You will get a mail confirmation from ACCA stating that your account has been registered or you are a registered student with ACCA. Suppose if they have some queries with you or if they want any other requirements or any documents from you, they can ask you via mail, which will help you to upload the documents, and accordingly with the respective documents and all, your registrations will be confirmed. If you have any issue, you may even get a call from ACCA or even you can call the customer care at ACCA at any time. They are available 24/7. Coming to the next thing is, what students or which students can get which subjects as exemptions. If I talk about exemptions, the minimum entry requirement is from 10th, but the point is when you start after 10th, you need to start from the foundations level. And if you have completed your intermediate, you can start from the fundamentals level. Means you need not do the foundation papers separately. When you do after your graduation, that is specifically BCom, then ACCA may grant you exemptions up to the first 4 papers of the fundamentals level. Means you will be exempted from the first 4 papers and you will be starting from the 5th paper. So these are the exemptions. Sometimes some other qualifications also like CA, MBA or CWA or CS can give you some exemption benefits also. So it depends what qualifications you are possessing. So at the time of registration itself, you need to upload all those documents in order to get these exemptions, and ACCA at its own discretion may give you the required and available exemptions. Moving to the next doubt, how many time or how much time it takes to complete ACCA? Now this question is actually very judgmental. We cannot specify that it takes 2 years or it takes 3 years. See, ACCA allows you to write a maximum of 8 exams during a year, which means that over a period of 1.5 years, actually you will be able to complete ACCA, provided you are able to do it. You are able to do it means the student is able to prepare, student is able to complete its syllabus, complete its revision and give the attempt. So every 3 months if you start with one paper also, it will be helpful for the student to complete the exam. So if I say how much time it takes, if I say the student goes with a normal speed of writing at least one paper in one attempt, it will also give them an edge that they can complete the whole course in 2.5 years. So it completely depends on the student, and no one can guarantee you that you will be able to complete it within 2 years or 3 years or 4 years, anything like that. So it is completely on the student's ability at how well they are able to catch up the subject. If they are able to do 2 subjects at a time, they will be able to finish the course much easily and much early than the recommended time. Moving to the next thing is, how many exams do we need to take? This already I have explained in the before video, but still a simple explanation to this. You need to take 13 papers in order to become an ACCA qualified student. If you are registered from foundations, you will have some extra papers. But apart from that, after intermediate, if you are joining, it takes you only 13 papers. And after degree, if you are joining, it will be only 9 papers, not the 13 papers. Moving to the next step. The next step what generally students have is, what are the different certifications ACCA awards me? So apart from the ACCA qualification, ACCA recognizes your efforts at every level. After you complete the first 3 knowledge papers, they give you a certificate which is Diploma in Accounting and Finance. After completing the 9 papers, they award you with an advanced diploma certificate, and you even have an option to get the BSc degree from Oxford Brookes University. And after you complete ACCA, apart from ACCA qualification, you even have an option to get a Masters in Finance from University of London. So these are the extra or additional qualifications you can say which ACCA is helping or ACCA is granting us to achieve. Moving to the next thing is, how do I study for this ACCA exams? What is the requirement, like how the student should prepare? According to me, or according to the experience, I have seen students how they prepare for the exams. Students generally concentrate one subject or maximum of 2 subjects at a time, which makes them perfect in that subjects. Generally, exams are conducted every 3 months, so they make sure that they complete these 2 subjects in the 3 months. If I talk about one subject, 1.5 months, they concentrate on the coaching and the revision part of the particular subject, and the next 1.5 months, they'll be concentrating on the exams part, that is writing the mock exams. See, BPP and Kaplan, they are the 2 approved content providers of ACCA, which helps the students achieve the knowledge and concept regarding the course. So they can complete these 2 study materials along with the revision kits, which makes them enable understand the type of questions they can get. To understand the pattern and to make themselves aware about the exam techniques and to make aware of the exam real situation, they can appear for mocks. They can appear for CBE mocks as well, which are even paid mocks available online at different sites. It is available on BPP site as well as compliance sites. They can use these mocks to check their or to enhance their whatever revision they have done. So it will make them more comfortable with the paper and the exam environment. So I suggest a minimum of 4 to 5 hours of study daily will help a student definitely achieve the subject or definitely pass that one subject in that attempt. So every 3 months, if they concentrate on one subject also, as I said in the before point, they can be able to complete the whole course in 2.5 years of span. So it requires them to understand the concept first and then apply it in the questions. They cannot start the preparation question wise. They need to start concept wise. First they need to understand the concept, then and only then they will be able to understand that whole concept in one simple multiple choice question. Means they are going to study the whole concept and the answer will be just either A, B, C or D, which makes the student even more like it makes it difficult for the student because all the answers look variably the same. So they will be confused as to what option is the answer. So when they have clear clarity of the concept and the subject, then only they will be able to answer the question correctly and aptly. That is the thing I would like to advise all the students. First, concentrate and what do you understand, what are the things you are understanding, the concepts and the subject. First try to make that clear and then practice the questions accordingly. Moving to the next point is, what are the things, what are the options available to me after I become an ACCA? See, ACCA is nothing but an international CA which has a recognition in 185 plus countries. And you know, stress on the point that how important a CA is there in the economy or in the organization or any business or any department. So the need of it, the work of CA makes ACCA itself the better and the best occupation available for the finance professionals nowadays in the world. There are many career options available for these people all over the world, mostly in Dubai, UK, Europe, Asia, all the countries, 185. See, the list goes on actually, the list goes on. So it becomes easy for the student to grab good jobs and good opportunities. You have to become ready, you have to become ACCA, and then a job is already there waiting for you. So all the best guys, prepare well and try to become a good ACCA. Thank you.